So in this video, I am going to show you how to create a very nice luxury wedding website. And today our website theme is black and white. First of all, I will show you and then I will explain you each step-by-step guide how I designed this website, all the animations, text, everything you can see in this tutorial. I will also show you the RSVP, wedding registry, dress code, everything. So first, just see the website. It is basically designed for the mobile phone. Like here on the desktop, it will looks like this one, but on the mobile phone, on your any phone device or the tablet, it will perfectly size between the screen. Okay, so here you can see this is the music. If I click on this, it is a music. It will start ringing. So this is the music. Then this is the countdown. This is the rings, and the heart is glowing. And next is the venue, where you can add the location. At the next, you can see here the Google Map location. If I click on it, it will open to the map location. So I will show you how to add the location, each and everything. You just see the website. Then is the day details, like when it will be this. Here is this video. This is the video behind the screen. I show you then attorney details, then the details about dress code, transportation, and finally the RSVP. Here it is loading the RSVP form. This RSVP form is embedded, and I show you how it works on the Canva. Okay, so don't worry about it. Next is this one. Okay, so this is our design, and I show you step-by-step guide. Here is the design. I am going to edit it. You can get this editable template link given in the YouTube video description, so don't worry about how I make it. It is simple design. Like this is the picture. I put the picture here. Then here some color shades I show you, which is the color shades. You can see this is the picture, and on this picture I added some other colors, like this color. You can see, you can notice this color. This is the color shade I added on it to make the picture blur below side. Next, this font is totally editable. You can click here and edit the text if you want to change anything. This is a font whose name is Moon Time. You can change the font style, but it is beautiful. Then you are thinking how it is glowing. I click on the effects. And the effects, I have the effect name whose name is Neon. So this is the neon effect on this. I can increase it intensity, it will glow more, but it is perfect. Okay, and next is the this heart. This heart is flickering, so I added the animation on it. Animation name, I can show you what animation is flicker animation. Okay, you can see the heart is flickering, you can see on the screen. Okay, this is the heart flickeration. Next, these are the simple lines I added in the elements on the, like anything you need to use on this template. You get it from the elements. From the elements, I write the line, and I get the line, and then I just use that line from the elements. Okay. Next, the date and the music. How I added the music, I also show you the music. This is the website from where I added the music in the website. uh, First 1 minute, just I delete, and this website is invitarium.io. You can register on it and simply upload your music file and get the link, and then link you can embed the link here. Click on this and change the new link with it. Okay, this website is down at the moment, but soon it will be, like in my previous videos you say it is working. So this website, we get the music from this website, then we embed it here. Next is the countdown. Here all the other things are editable in this. Some fonts, like this font is handwritten, so you can't design it or edit it. If you need such a fonts, you can contact me. All the details and the contact number is given in my description. Next is the countdown. Countdown, here you have the again link. So you want to edit your countdown. This may be any countdown. You just click on this countdown and make a clone this countdown. Pick counter.com website. So here is the countdown. You want to change the date, like if your marriage is on any date like this one, it will automatically detect how many days it is left, like it is 2026. You can edit it here 2026, and any date it will automatically detect 39 days. Here you can see the background color, but I use the white background. From here the background digit color is this one, and this one is the last unit color. And next other things are okay perfectly. You don't need to change it. You just make the copy of it and get the link. Make a copy. Here you will get the link. You can copy this link and just go to here, edit it, and paste here the new link, and done. So your counter will be added here. Then you can make small big this counter simply from this. Drag it. Here is the ring. This ring is this ring I get from the elements. Okay. Oh, here I just say the ring, love ring. Otherwise it gives the other rings. Here is, if I click on this ring, I will have the other options. Here you can see many rings. You can choose any of the ring. Okay. Then again the heart, and this is the font. You can charm font name. Okay, now I remove this ring is added. Next is the venue detail. You can edit all. Here you can add the picture of your venue. Simple, just drag and drop the picture. If you want to add any picture here, for example, I want to add this picture. I just drag and drop the picture. It will be added here. So next is the Google Map. You have the Google Map location link, and you just click on this pen, edit it, and add here the new link. New link will be pasted here, and you click on the done. It will be added. Okay, it is very simple. Next is the detail, and here I have added the one video. You can see this one, the video is behind it. If you want to delete it, or if you want to add any other video, in the elements section you search for ring video. Here if you click on here you can see the ring video. It is giving the other rings, ring love video. So if you search for this, you can see this. You can see I can add this video also. Where it goes. Yes, but this is photo. 1 minute, 1 minute. Here in this section, when you write anything and click here on shapes, next you goes here. You have to find the videos. Here is the video section. Here you can see the videos. You can see this ring. If you want to add this ring, it is very easy to add. Like I also added this ring, I think. So you just crop it, fit to the screen, and remove the background. Its background is removed. Now you can add it anywhere. So first I delete it because I already added a very nice background ring video, which is keep moving. Here I have make its transparency low. If I make it high, it will be visible, and the above text become blur. So make the transparency low. Okay. Next, you will be thinking how I get these things. This is the simple line, and this is the icon. I can name this icon is seal. You can click here and see the golden seal. Like envelope seals, you can see envelope seals. Here, click on the all, and you can see the many seals. You can see these seals. I use these seals. So if any seal with this cap, never use it. It will ask for the money. This one is the free, so you can use it. So for the template, for this template, don't worry about the seals and anything, because in this template I have given you 100 plus icons. You can use them. All these icons are free for use. You can use them. Simply click in the search wedding icons. So here the wedding icon, most of icons you can see dot edu. It's mean these are the premiums. This one is free. This is premium. So in this like in this package, I show you. I have someone click get the template from my given description in the YouTube. You can get the 100 plus icons free of cost, gift card, everything. And if you need any customization, I am always available for you. Next is attorney and all these things. Basically, this video is supported by Zoya Creative, who asked me to make a collaboration to make the video. So I have the YouTube channel. I make the tutorials and this product and the template designed by the Zoya Creative. So she shared with me, and I make the tutorial for you. And this guide will be added in the product details. Next is the wedding registry. So you make your wedding registry on anywhere, like on the Etsy, for example. I can give you the example. On the Etsy, you have the registry. Where is here is the registry. So you make your wedding registry simply and get the here the wedding registry. You get the registry link, and in here you click on this, select it, and click on this link, and link here the link the registry link. You will click on the registry link, it will be added, okay, like this. Then click on this and underline will be removed, and you have a wedding registry link here. This is the RSVP. Now the most important thing, like you are thinking how you collect the details of RSVP, your guest details, which is very important. Here is the form which is already embedded in Canva for your comfort, like make things easy. But I also added one other Google form to collect the guest detail. At the moment, I show you how it will work. Here is the RSVP form. For example, you click on the RSVP form. Here you can see in the Canva two options. One is edit, one is response. Edit means you can change, add questions. Like this is like, please let us know how many guests you will be coming. You want to add one short answer. Click on this and you can see what music you will like. You click here and one short question is added. If you want to add multiple choice, long answer, checkbox, anything you can add it. It will be added in your RSVP form. You can make it, you can drag it. Uh, for example, I can show, if you want to make a very big RSVP form, simply drag it. And this one, okay, then this one. Now you can keep adding things in your RSVP form. It will be keep going, and I can show you how you can put the details. Your client put the detail, your guest put the details in this form, and for example, here is here I show you name. For example, at the moment we can take any mail as a example. Here it is asking, are you coming? Absolutely yes. Please share any food. For example, at the moment we are just checking. So music, we say lovely thing. Okay, then we click on the RSVP response saved. Now, when you shared this website in the text, mail, WhatsApp to your guest, you will keep seeing the responses here. One response. Okay, Zoya Creative has a one response. You can see, are you coming? Yes, please let us know how many. This. View responses. You can view responses here are linked to the sheet. It will be automatically connected to your Google Sheet, and you can collect all the details of your clients in this sheet. I mean your guests. You can see in the Canva, it makes a complete sheet for you. Timestamp, your name, please let us know. All the question will be answered here. Okay, so it is very easy for you to manage all the data. It will magic chart makes you any other things you want to colorize this box from this, you can colorize it. Okay, so all the editable things in this form. One other form which may be easy for you, then what you have to do, you have to delete this. You have to delete this. On this RSVP, you click and add the Google form link, and in this template you will get the Google form link. So don't worry about it. I show you the Google form. Here is the Google form link. So here is the theme image. You will change this theme image from this customize theme, and here you have the upload image upload. So if you don't like this image, you can get any other image, or you can upload it from the browser. So don't worry about this theme image, how you will change the name. Basically you will get this complete this theme design, because this image in this wedding website template, if you purchase, you get this one, like you get the template. I mean, you have the template of the RSVP form thing. I show you how it works. 1 minute. Here you can see you will get this design in this template. So you just go to this, and here you can you want to change your name. Okay, you change here your name. You will get this template. Don't worry about it. You have the link. You can edit it. Then you want to change the color. You click here. You want to make its color any color, like this one color. Okay. So you want to change this image. Upload any picture. Upload any picture. For example, any picture. Just then drag this picture here. It will be added here. You can see. Upload your file and drag it. Then you can download this RSVP theme. Just PNG, just a moment, it will be downloaded. After the download, you can upload it. Remove it and choose the image. Upload. From the upload, you can see here the RSVP image. So in the description in link, you can get the wedding website template. With the template, you get the RSVP image, 100 icons, you get the thanks card, you get everything, all the instructions you needed. You just contact me, you send me the message on the WhatsApp, just the mail me. We will totally customize the website for you. Here, the Google form, it has again the details. Will you be honest with the business? Your name and all these things. If you want to add the question, just click on the question. It will ask you want to add short answer, paragraph, checkbox, drop down menu, anything you like. We want a short answer. Here you think which music you like it. Basically all the necessary question already added. Do you like food related? Pick the menu. Can we help the accommodation or travel? If you want to delete this, just click on it and delete it. uh, these are the then you can change this image also. Click on this image, and you can just click on the delete button. It will be deleted. Or you want to add question, here is the add image. From this section you can add the image. Once your Google RSV form is ready, you have to click on the publish, and anyone with the link, here you can click anyone with the link can respond. Anyone with link, only the people with this, anyone with internet can respond. You can see here the respond done. So now this is published. Once it is published, you get here, click on the shorten link. You get this short link. Copy this link. You can copy this link and go to the forum, and here click on the RSVP. Click on the RSVP, and this here the Google form will be added. So if you don't like the Canva embedded RSVP, you can have the Google form link. You can add it. So both RSVP form you will get with it. Here you can change the date, and this is your whole website is ready to use it. So you need any information, anything, you can ask me. All the template link is given in the description of the YouTube. It is just costing you half price nowadays. It is on the discount, so you can avail the maximum discount. Beside this, if you come watch this video complete, you can contact me. I will send you the coupon code. You will get the 45% discount on this template. And on the you can also have the many other templates. Just click on the shop link given in the description. You have a many templates, many beautiful templates. You love them.